our group is Gabe and the Pillow Friends. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pillows are so comfortable, and they're so lovable, and they're so comfortable because